this is the Keychron B1 Pro, and it has 3 Bluetooth channels plus one with a 2.4 dongle. It also works via the USB-C to USB-C cable, and it comes with this little rubber protector, which you can still use, I think, if you want. But this is the keyboard, and it looks really nice. So you can have Bluetooth, USB cable, or the 2.4 dongle, Mac or Windows. So we just push it onto the USB, onto the Bluetooth, and then it starts, and you can see it's already connected because I've connected it before. But if you want to connect it, you just press and hold the FM plus the Bluetooth button.